outside, don't be shy. Jolene can't wait to meet you for a trailer park Christmas. The trailer park way, with a brand new recipe every day. Sending videos from her trailer. Yeah. She's Jolene Sugarbaker. She is Jolene Sugarbaker. Come and spend the holidays the trailer park way. Merry trailer park Christmas.
Trailer park Christmas.
Merry trailer park Christmas. Hooray!
Well, hi there, Trailer Park fans. It's Jolene Sugarbaker, the Trailer Park Queen. And welcome to the Trailer Park Test Kitchen. And welcome to Trailer Park Christmas 2019, where I'm showing you how the trailer park celebrates the holiday. Well, I have this calendar on my website at trailerparkchristmas.com that you can follow along. And I see today that it says Gelatin Surprise. Now, it isn't a trailer park holiday without some gelatin. But I also got some letters from people saying that I need some more cookie recipes. Well, I've got you with both. Today, we're going to put some gelatin in some cookies, and it's going to make delightful cookies that you can change out the flavors too. Today we're going to be making red and green ones, and they're going to look so pretty for the holidays, and it just adds a great flavor, and think of all the possibilities. It's up next on Trailer Park Christmas 2019. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Making my gelatin cookies is really a lot of fun because think of all the different colors and flavors that you could pick up, and these cookies can be that flavor. Today I'm using actually a lime because I wanted a green cookie for the holidays. I've got my stand mixer here, and for once I actually softened the butter and it's not going to fly out of the bowl here. I remembered to do that. I've got a cup of that, a cup of butter here, and we're just putting that into the stand mixer. And softened butter always works better for this kind of things here. And today we're using 3 eggs, so I'm going to put those on in there. And 1 egg here. And then we have another egg here. And I like to use the cage-free egg, especially because I like to know the chickens are running around here. And there we go. And now I'm going to add a cup of sugar here. There we go. Right on into the bowl. This is just granulated sugar, and I just have that regular package of gelatin, the lime, and it's going to turn green just for the holiday. Woo! Don't breathe that. And that is some strong gelatin there. There we go, and we're going to go ahead and just start mixing that together. Very green. Okay, to that mixture, we're going to add a ½ teaspoon of salt there, and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and this is going to make the cookies kind of cakey with that. And I know you could probably sift this all together, but I don't have the time, and it seems to turn out just great. I've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We're going to mix this in. This makes a lot of cookies. So I'll check back with you in just a moment. Next up, you can make a frosting. And I've got 1/4 cup of softened butter right here. And then I've got 1 tablespoon of actually just plain yogurt or sour cream would work in this. And we're going to add that in there. And then 2 cups of powdered sugar went in there. And we also have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then 1 tablespoon of milk. Or give or take, you're probably going to use about a ½ to a tablespoon of milk. And then 1 tablespoon of some more of the gelatin powder. And you can use any flavor, and you could use a different color too. And maybe I'm going to use some red for my frosting. So let me mix this together and check back with you in just a moment. And look at that, I've got a baking pan here. And what I've got here is our batter, and look at that, nice and green and ready for the holidays. And I'm just going to take a tablespoon of that out, and I've got clean hands here, no cat hair, nothing going wrong. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plop it there on the baking tray, and I've just got a glass measuring cup here, and it's not going to work the first time, so I'm just going to smash one. There we go. And now it's got a little staying power There we go, and it's got a sugar top right now. And now as you go along, it should work just fine. And that'll just make them nice and sparkly, kind of like snow. And I'm going to finish this whole pan that way. So you just make it like that, and you put it on the pan, and you take this and smash it, and look at that, it has the little sugar on it. So check back with you in just a moment. Okay, I've got a whole tray of our gelatin cookies here, and look how pretty they are. And you could probably use one of the cutout cookie things with them too. Just be real careful, and you could probably get them to form up to like a gingerbread man. But I preheated the oven to 375 degrees, and these are going to bake about 8 or 9 minutes, so you're going to have to keep your eye on them. So set your timer. There you have it, my gelatin cookie, and look at that, all nice and green. I don't have the glaze on them just yet because I wanted to taste one with you here and tell you what it tastes like, because think of all the possibilities that you could get with the gelatin. They make all the wild and crazy flavors. Leave a comment down at the bottom about what flavor or color gelatin that you're going to use. But we did the sprinkle top. We mashed it down with a glass kind of measuring cup. But I just want to taste this and see what it tastes like. Wow, that is, you don't often get a lime cookie, but that is definitely refreshing, and that color is just reminds me of the holidays, and nice and soft and like a sugar cookie should be. I mean, that was so easy to make, and you will be the star with this, especially if you make like a cutout cookie with it. They will think you are just a chef to be reckoned with in the trailer park. But wow, I hope you get a chance to make my gelatin cookies, and if you do, send me pictures at JoleneSugarbaker@gmail.com. Don't forget to follow me all over the place. I'm on that Pinterest, Instagram with all my photos that I take of nature and all sorts of things. But the best thing is the calendar at trailerparkchristmas.com, so you can follow along, because I see tomorrow it's Trailer Park Christmas Eve, and I'm showing you how to make a gingerbread muffin, so you should turn in for that. And I can't wait to spend just a few more days with you with the holidays, showing you how to be the best trailer park person here with the best food and the best crafts and best gifts. This has been so great spending the holidays with you, and I'll see you back tomorrow. I love you. Merry Trailer Park Christmas. Bye-bye.
Slap on all your blue eyeshadow. Watch out for